What makes the Original Shoe Tree Company the smart choice? The Original Shoe Tree Company has modernized the classic shoe tree. First, every pair of shoe trees comes with a lightweight, oversized shoe bag, perfect for travel and storage. Next, laser etching denotes the customized right and left shoe tree. A smooth quality cedar in a solid block design. An easy glide spring that adjusts to your shoe. And of course, the beautiful smell of crisp, aromatic cedar that fights unpleasant shoe smells. Why do you need shoe trees? Shoes stored without shoe trees crease, lose their shape, their vigor, their smooth texture, causing unnecessary wrinkles and cracks. Regular wear causes bending and expansion, while moisture from thousands of sweat glands in the feet cause shoes to expand. When the shoe is removed, the shoe dries, shrinks, and cracks. The Original Shoe Tree Company's cedar shoe trees provide the firm internal support necessary to maintain a shoe's integrity and remove shoe moisture while leaving a pleasant cedar aroma. We offer a 1 or 2 pack of the Original Shoe Tree Company's shoe trees, plus an oversized shoe bag with every pair.